What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there for taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I know there's plenty of other things you guys can be doing, so I appreciate all you guys that take the time to support the channel. Everybody, we're talking 3-month update time, baby. BOLA Solutions P17 spray sealant that I put on my Honda about 3 months ago. It has been raining crazy. I mean, crazy rain here. You know, for Cali at least. I mean, it's been crazy. But I have not washed it in 3 months. We'll give you guys a quick look at the Honda here in just a second. What I'm going to be washing it with today is we're going to be taking a look at the BOLA Solutions A43 pH neutral car shampoo. Stuff smells amazing. It really does. It's a nice thinner consistency. I really like the thinner consistency soaps. They tend to mix better, especially in the foam cannons, which I'm going to mix up here in just a second. But let's go over to the Honda because I'm quite impressed at how clean that the Honda stayed in the 3 months I have not washed it. With all the rain, we've had some couple nice days, but with all the rain and everything that's been happening, this thing actually looks really nice. So let me show you. Alrighty, folks. This is the Honda. It's been about 3 months, like I said. Check out the gloss still. It's retained a lot of the gloss. A lot of the gloss is still there. All the dirt is towards the bottom, which you want to see, which is definitely dirty. But overall, I mean, the car has stayed fairly clean and glossy in 3 months. Check that out. Shout out to the man, Ricky. Ricky, if you watch this, I know you will. I've been sending him updates because me and him were kind of blown away at how clean this thing has stayed. Check that out. You can see right about here is where it starts, and then it goes down. And it is definitely dirty. Check that out. So yeah, we're gonna get set up. I'm gonna mix up this BOLA Solutions A43. Now, I try to read the back of this, but unfortunately, I can't. So, just like any other soap, we're going to give it a couple glugs in here in this foam cannon. Oh no, that's about 2 ounces, I guess. Let's go over to the wash bucket. Let's get some of this in the wash bucket. Got my wash mitt in there. That's all we need. So I'm excited. This stuff smells really good. See what this stuff will do. Now you guys know how I grade soaps. So what I like about my soaps, sorry about the camera work. What I like about my soaps, what do I look for in soaps? Lubricity is number 1. Cleaning power, how well it rinses, and lastly, how well it foams in the foam cannon. I could really care less. Some people care more about it. Nah, that's last on my list, how well it foams. But we're going to put it to the test. We're going to see how well it foams up in the bucket. We're going to check the lubricity, see how well it cleans this Honda up, and we'll see if the P17 6-month sealant, how it's holding up at 3 months. Alrighty, folks. Let's, before we do a rinse, let's go ahead and foam up this bucket. Looks like some nice luxurious foam there. Let's give this thing a rinse and let's see if this P17 is holding on. Oh boy. Wah, wah, wah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What in the world? Now you see, this is crazy because it's been raining the past 5 days. And the beads although they are not super round and super tight, it does, you can tell it's got protection on it. But I'm really not seeing much here. See, if you lightly missed it, you can kind of see it could just be dirty though. It's trying to hang in there. Oh man, kind of disappointed. But like I said in my video, if I get 3 months out of a 6-month sealant here, I'll be happy. Now this is pre-wash. So I'm going to get you guys set up on the tripod. We're going to foam this baby down. We're going to give it a nice wash, and we're going to see if any hydrophobics come back. And got it all washed up. Now let's see how well it rinses, and let's see if there's anything left. Some areas it's trying, but still see a little bit here. It's sheeting pretty good. I don't know, maybe I'll try some water spot remover. See if maybe that'll bring some hydrophobics back. But it's just a spray sealant, so it's trying. There's still something a little bit there. It's just completely, I mean, super flat. It's trying to sheet up here a little bit. The hood kind of looks like it wants to do something. See? I don't know if that's the shampoo that's masking it, but see that? Yeah. I mean, for the most part, I would say there's still a little something there, but nothing crazy. Maybe I'll try a water spot remover to see if that'll change anything. All right, everybody. So like I said, I might try a water spot remover because I wasn't very happy with how the hydrophobics were. I mean, it looked pretty flat and it was pretty dead. But like I was saying, when it rains, I could see the beads on the car and you could tell there was protection there. And as I was rinsing it, I could tell I could tell there was something there. And it might have been masked a little bit. So what I did was I was mentioning maybe grabbing a water spot remover. So that's what I did. I grabbed my DIY Details water spot remover, and basically I used this. I've seen a lot of people have success bringing back coatings or their sealants or ceramic spray coatings that maybe have clogged up or mineral deposits have masked hydrophobics and whatnot. Now, this one being the spray sealant, I didn't really want to do a high alkaline, you know, wash on it. But I figured I'd try the water spot remover. So I sprayed the whole car down with it, and I took a towel and I rubbed it in the paint. And I was very, very. This is the towel here. I just sprayed it in and it just kind of worked it in the paint. Oh, there goes my water spot remover. But check this out, guys. I'm actually very, very, very surprised. Check this out. Check that out, guys. This thing is live and in color right now. Now, is it the most tight, crazy beads? Look, no, but check out the sheeting capability. I mean, it looks fantastic. And it's dry. That fender's dry right there. Now, I've heard that these BOLA solutions are sheeting products, which I prefer. I prefer sheeter. Check this out. The panel's dry. Look at how quickly it's sheeting. And it's like that all over the car. It's nice sheeting. Look at the roof. I mean, look at those beads. Check that out. Absolutely, absolutely brought it back. Whatever protects the protection, the P17, it's definitely a sheeter. I mean, there's no question about that. It's a sheeting product. But look at that. It is still there. 3 months in. It looks killer. It's absolutely still there. I knew there was something there because I could see it. I could see it wanted to be there. Look how quickly it sheets that hood. That hood is dry right there. That is what you want. Okay, you don't want all those tight round beads. With the weather I've been having, it's been sunny, and then it will rain, and then it'll be sunny, and then it rains. So what you don't want on your paint is all these nice tight round beads, and then when the sun comes out, even for 20 minutes, they're like little magnifying glasses, and it'll burn into your clear. It'll etch in. Is it the fastest sheeting I've ever seen? No, but that door is now dry. There you go. It was brought back. It was brought back, everybody. All right, everybody. We're on a quick final thoughts segment. 3-month update on the BOLA Solutions P17. The Honda. Not going to lie, at first, I was a little disappointed. I was like, you know what? It's flat. I mean, it's flat as can be. And then we went ahead, washed it up with the A43. By the way, this soap is freaking phenomenal. It's a thinner consistency. It mixes good. Does it foam very well in the foam cannon? Not really. It's not the most thickest shaving cream foam, but the suds are luxurious. It smells amazing. Great lubrication. That's a great shampoo right there. Maintenance shampoo. BOLA did great with that one. But yeah, it was looking flat as can be. I mean, flat as can be, and I was a little bit disappointed. I'm gonna be real. I was like, I expected just a little bit to be there, but 3 months, no wash. I mean, hey, look at me, the detailer doesn't wash his car in 3 months, but that's what happens with your own car, and I'm just being real. Sometimes it goes 2-3 months before I can wash it, and it's been raining like crazy here, so I haven't been able to wash it. So, and I work a full-time job. I don't do this full-time, guys. I'm a mechanic full-time at my shop, so time is limited, and when I do have free time, I'm detailing on the side. So yeah, I was disappointed. It was flat, but I could see that there was some protection there. So I grabbed my water spot remover, and sure enough, that really did the trick. It brought back some nice hydrophobics. It's not super crazy tight round beads, but the sheeting is incredible. I prefer sheeting. Panels are dry, water's off the paint. That's what you want. You don't want all those beads on your paint, and then the sun comes out and it just bakes them into the thing. I know it's nice to look at. Trust me, I love beads too, but it's definitely still there. I'm happy right now at 3 months. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it dried off, and I'm gonna top it with the P17S, which is basically the P17. It's a lighter version. It's not as durable, but it's supposed to be more slick. So I'm gonna wipe it down with that, and then next wash we'll see what the hydrophobics look like and go from there. So yeah, 3-month update. It is there. Just needed a little bit of love to bring it back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll leave the links. I'll leave the links to the BOLA Solution P17 and the shampoo that I'm using down in the description, as well as the video of the initial application. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, whether it's reviews, updates, how-to, ceramic coatings, paint corrections, all that, you'll get notified. And I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.